Let's learn how to find half of 3/4 of an inch on a ruler. Let's start by looking at a ruler. Here's 1 inch on a standard ruler, divided into 16ths of an inch. Let's first locate 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch is the same as 12/16ths of an inch. We can see this because each quarter inch contains 4/16 inch marks, and 3/4 means we count 3 groups of 4/16ths. To find half of 3/4, we can divide 12/16ths by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, so half of 3/4 is 6/16ths. 6/16ths can be simplified to 3/8 by dividing both the top and bottom numbers by 2. Now let's find 3/8 on our ruler in two different ways. First, we can count 6/16 inch marks from 0, or we can count 3/8 inch marks from 0, which is easier and faster. Here's a practical way to think about it. If you need to cut something that's 3/4 of an inch in half, you would measure 3/8 of an inch. This works because 3/8 plus 3/8 equals 3/4. Remember, when working with measurements, it's helpful to know that you can convert between different fractions of an inch. 3/4 equals 12/16, and half of that is 6/16, which simplifies to 3/8.